Hi again. In this brief but crucial video, we build on the work of Module 3 Part 6, which was assessing the price of my pattern and discuss why over-preparation keeps you safe but stuck. The neuroscience of courage, which is all about risk, reward, and rewiring your brain. How micro-risks lead to macro-confidence. And another challenge for you. Take one risky move this week and celebrate it, even if the result is messy. First, let's talk about a sneaky little saboteur that shows up in disguise. She's not loud. She might even seem helpful. But she's stalling your growth. Her name? Perfectionism. We are going to unmask perfectionism for what it really is, just another clever way of avoiding risk. And we are going to replace it with something much more powerful, which is courage in action. Perfectionism often masquerades as excellence, but there's a key difference. Excellence says, do your best with what you have. Perfectionism says, don't even try unless the result will be flawless. K and Shipman's research found that perfectionism disproportionately holds back women, especially high-achieving ones. Why? Because we've been taught to get it right. Be the good girl. Be the best. Be above criticism. However, that pressure can create paralysis. Instead of acting, we tweak. We wait. We withhold our work until it's just so. Does that sound like you? Here's the truth: nothing radical has ever been perfect. It's been brave. Confidence isn't about perfection, it's about showing up messy and learning as you go. Every time you send the draft that's not quite done, launch the idea before it's fully polished. Speak even if your voice shakes. You're practicing radical confidence. Your worth is not based on flawlessness. It's based on your willingness to show up. And when you choose progress over perfection, you reclaim your time, your energy, and your joy. This week, the emphasis is on developing a bias for action. Your invitation is to let it be imperfect. That post you've been overthinking? Share it. That application you've been tweaking? Submit it. That conversation you've been rehearsing? Start it. Confidence doesn't come from never being criticized. It comes from surviving it. Reflective exercise. After taking action, write about your experience to help you process your emotions and keep a record of your wins. You're doing beautifully. Keep going. In our next video, we'll explore how to build a sustainable practice of confidence so you can keep growing without burning out.